everyone, welcome to Royal Constructions and Interior Decor. Today, we will discover top kitchen bar design ideas. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to channel. Please watch the video till end. Thank you. Having a bar area in your kitchen gives you a functional space that allows people to sit and have a quick meal or keep you company while you're cooking. If you're designing your kitchen layout, this is your chance to build a bar counter to your exact specifications. This could be a separate peninsula or in addition to your island. For some kitchens, the bar looks best built into the counter. It can blend in if you use the same material as the countertop. In other kitchens, the bar makes a statement because the designer chose a different material with plans to make it stand out as an accent. These kitchen bar ideas will get you inspired to create the perfect breakfast bar in your kitchen. If you have a small kitchen island, you could have a pair of stools. A larger island can support 3 or 4 stools. With the island, you have more than one side to work with. You could have a bar on 2 sides of the island to create more space. If you find these kitchen bar ideas, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Royal Constructions and Interior Decor. Have a chillful day ahead. Thank you.